Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Early Hakka immigrants to Taiwan worship deities called the Lords of the Three Mountains. And there's a saying that if you see a Lord of the Three Mountains temple, you'll find Hakka people there. In Taipei County, Xinzhuang City, there's a temple called the Guangfugong, which dates back to 1780. The temple is notable for including not only the three lords of the mountains, but also their wives.
早期客家人来台开垦时，建立不少奉祀三山国王的庙宇。可以说，有三山国王庙的地方，就常常会有客家人。位于台北县新庄的广福宫为2级古迹，建于1780年。宫里最大的特色，除了主祀3位国王外，后殿还陪侍着3位夫人。All right, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin.
大家好，我係李耀煌。
All right, we were just talking about a very famous historic monument that is found in Xinzhuang, and it's called Guangfugong. And they worship a king, or actually 3 kings right there, called 三山国王。
三山国王是客家人很特有的一个宗教信仰，宗教信仰。
And I heard that there are over 150 of these temples around the island. 其实这个三山国王庙，听说呢，在这个整个台湾呢，有超过150个这个庙宇。
没错，没错，就是客家人都會提起就當有一個三山國王廟。
Okay. So if you ask any Hakka, they know of the lords of the Triple Mountain. That is for sure. I've only known other lords here in Taiwan, such as the land god and land goddess. 其實呢，在台湾这么久呢，我一直以為蠻普遍的是土地公跟土地婆而已。順便教一下，土地公、土地婆，那客家人應該也會
有
嘛？
客家人也係當接的拜一個八公八婆，就是土地公跟土地婆
啊，這叫八公八婆。
對，八公八婆，
不是八公八婆。
不是，貴語講法就係伯公伯婆。
Okay, I see. Now, one more word that we should teach everyone, because when you go to this temple that is found in Xinzhuang, it is actually a second-rated historic monument. 順便呢，教大家古蹟這個客家話怎麼說？
古蹟叫故蹟。
故蹟。Okay. 故蹟。Let's review some of those words. Historic monument, 古蹟。
故蹟。
And if you want to go see the lords of the Triple Mountain, 三山國王。
三山國王。
And then 土地公, the land god.
八公
and then also 土地婆, the land goddess.
八婆。
And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka. I'm Joseph Lin.
希望大家
俺子say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.